Let me show you how to create your own zoom transition in Premiere Pro. First thing, we need an adjustment layer. Go down to New Item, Adjustment Layer, and drag it into your timeline. Now, from the center of the layer, hold Shift and press the right arrow to move forward 5 frames. Do that 3 times and then cut. Move to the other side, repeat the same thing and cut again. Now use C for the razor tool, then switch back to your cursor using V. Now we need transform effect. With the layer selected, double click to apply it. In the effects control, first make sure you are at the beginning and click the scale stopwatch to set your first keyframe. Then move 3 or 2 frames before the end and set the scale to 200. Open the graph editor, select both keyframes, right click and choose ease in, ease out. Now to make the animation smooth, pull the first handle to the right and the second handle to the left. This creates a curve that starts the zoom slow and end fast. Now we need motion blur, so set the shutter angle to 360. This make it blend beautifully. For the next one, yes, we need transform, but first apply the replicate effect. Double click, then set it to 3. So now we have 9 copies of the original clip. After that, add the mirror effect 4 times. Double click, 1, 2, 3, 4. The mirror effect helps us blend the copies with no borders. For the first one, change the reflection angle to 90, then move it down and try to blend the line. The next one, change it to -90 and move it up. Same thing, try to blend the edges. The third one, set it to 180. Don't worry about the black screen, just drag it to the left. The last one, keep it at 0 and drag it to blend the final line. So we have a clean, borderless copy of the original clip. Now we can add the transform effect. With the layer selected, double click to apply it. Make sure you are at the beginning, add the scale keyframe, but this time start at 150. Then go to the end and double it to 300. Open the graph, select both keyframes and right click, ease in, ease out. Now we're doing the opposite of the first one. We need it to start fast and end slow. Don't forget, set the shutter angle to 360 again for the blur. Last thing, duplicate the first adjustment layer, hold Alt and drag it upward. Stretch it so it's covered both clips. Remove the transform effect from this layer, search for Lens Distortion, double click it to apply it. Go to curvature, this adds a natural bend, add the keyframe at the start, then go to the middle and change it between 25 to 35. I'll use 28. Then go to the end and change it back to 0. Select all keyframes, right click, ease in, ease out. Now open the graph and you need to use the handles to create a smooth V-shaped curve. This gives the whole transition a clean natural bend. If you have more shots, just hold Alt to duplicate and use it. And if you want your transition to be perfect, you need sound effect. Feel free to use my free sound effect. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!